Hi everyone, here I am going to show you how to add an Exchange email account to your mobile device by using Outlook application. Similar methods are using for adding Exchange email account to the computer devices and the telephone devices. Notable point is people those who are using Android devices should open Play Store and download the Outlook application. And those who are using Apple devices should go to App Store and here you can download Outlook application. Actually, here I am going to add Microsoft Exchange email account to the mobile phone device. So I am recommending all the users to download Outlook application because Outlook application is more compatible than any other third party email application because Microsoft Outlook is one of the products of Microsoft. Here I am going to App Store because I am using iPhone. Here you can search by typing Outlook, then search. This is the application one you are searching for. Just to get it. Wait for a while for finishing downloading. Downloading is done. Here you can open your Outlook application. If it's show like this, just skip. This is the main screen we want. Just I am entering my email account. Yes, kha at Raud al Salehin edu.kw. Then add account. Tap add account. Then put your password here. Just sign in. Tap sign in. Uh, just skip this by tapping maybe later and enable notifications. Turn on and this notification also allow. It's done. And another one. Now we added a first account to the Outlook application. If you want to add one more account along with the existing account, just click here. Tap S. S means my account. Just tap this account and go to settings. Settings is this gear symbol. Just tap on the gear symbol and add mail account here and select first option Outlook, Gmail, Exchange, iCloud because there is option Exchange. I want Exchange option to add my Exchange email. I am tapping Exchange. Exchange means add email account, the first option. Then put your another account. Then use the same procedure what we did before. Thank you. Just try it, okay? It will work. Thank you for watching this video.